A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings. Hey, you didn't know, so when John did get the revelation and did send the letter to the church them, and never did all the church them did get warning, say them a do something wrong. You didn't know? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people for your God to talk to them in the Jamaican language, just click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends them. And if you're not subscribed yet, wait, pad. Click the subscribe button now and the notification bell too to make sure so you're not gonna miss none of what are going on right here. So today, me I go read from the letter we name Revelation, chapter 3, from verse 7 to verse 13. Him said to me again, say, write the letter here, go give the leader for the church we in Philadelphia, and tell him, say, the messenger I come from the one we holy, and we always do what God want him to do. Him have King David key, we show say him have the power for rule. Where him open, nobody can shut. And where him shut, nobody can open. Me know everything about you know. Look here. Me open one door in front of you, and nobody can shut. Me know say uno not strong, but uno still hang on pa my word, and uno never turn uno back pa me and say uno no believe me. Listen, I go and make the liar people them we belong to Satan church. We say them a Jew when them are not Jew. I go and make them come lay down on uno foot with them face a ground and make them understand. Say my love uno. Cause me tell uno fi turn up strong and no give up when trouble take uno. And uno do it. Me I go keep uno safe in that time there when terrible crosses and sufferation I go come upon the whole world to test all who live upon the earth. Must soon come. So hang on upon where you have so that nobody can take away on the crown. Every one of you we beat the devil and no give into the sitting them where him want you to do. Me I go make you come in like a important column in a fimi God house. And you not go left. You go stand there forever and ever. And me go write fimi God name pan him. And him go write him New Jerusalem. Where fimi God city name. That city there come from God. And I go come down from heaven. And me I go write down for me new name pan him too. All who have ears better listen what the Holy Spirit has said to the church them. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.